we spoke about these shifters. We spoke about this. Like, what can I say else? We already broke above these higher highs, and look, this. It was such a clean break, and we broke above this level. Look how important was this area. You see it? Look at this area. Extremely important. That's why sometimes, and I would actually advise you, this is I advise you to remove your drawings after 1 month, and at least for a bit of time, check the chart with fresh eyes, because look at this level. Look how clean it is, this level. Like, even from here we reaccumulated. So let's take a closer look. What happened here? So we started dropping, right? Lower highs, lower lows. This was an important area, and it's going to be an important area going forward. And we dropped underneath it, but we didn't print new lows. So we held above this level, right? And here we started accumulating. Once we broke above this area, and I think we even had like a trend line here, we just blasted higher highs, and we started going higher. Here we distributed, right? Redistributed with a false break, redistribution. Once we dropped under this level, you see how important is this area? Look at this area from here. Once we broke under this area, distribution, lower. Distribution, lower. Accumulation, breakout higher, reaccumulation, breakout higher. And now we are in the same place like we accumulated here. So we had already an inverse head and shoulders. We had an accumulation area here. Like I told you, it overlaps. When we have clear market bottoms, they overlap. Most of the times they are either falling wedges or falling wedges in inverse head and shoulders, or falling wedges, inverse head and shoulders, and accumulation ranges like we have here. Okay. And we broke out higher, and now we are in the same place like we are here. So we are, in my opinion, this looks like reaccumulation. But like I said, I don't want to be biased. That's why when I'm gonna remove all of these new drawings, you're gonna see that this range is with gray, because I don't want to be biased, right? But I think once we're gonna clear this area, which is around 3,000, it's gonna be a very fast trip towards 3,400, 3,500, like something like this, a pullback, and we're just gonna start rallying towards these highs from here and filling out these levels. 3,500, 3,750, and 4,000, and after that all-time high.